What we're actually doing is testing fire spread and fuel breaks. So essentially the gaps that not only that fire and hand crews cut around fire lines around large wildfires, but also that we use in landscaping and land use planning to see how big do these gaps have to be when fire's progressing through fine fuels. So for us, we used it in some of the work that we did just the other day. We're using beds of pine needles as our fine dried fuel. And what you see is fire under wind conditions, the flame that actually tilts down, and that's what actually kind of jumps the fuel bed. Now there's the ember problem as well, but what we're trying to see is how do we stop the flaming front of the fire using fuel breaks? So essentially gaps. And so we had instrumented these gaps, used different distances the other day in our work. We had gravel that was our gap between one fuel bed and then the target fuel bed. And what you do see under wind conditions, the flames tilt over, and as soon as they touch that volatile fuel on the other side, they could ignite. And there's a certain distance in which the flames can do that. And it is remarkable to watch the spread over just say 40 feet of fire in under a minute, under just 20, 30 mile per hour wind conditions in our test chamber. And so there's a couple different applications. There's the application for fire services and understanding under what conditions, how big does the fuel break, does the gap, does the fire line have to be? And then there's the other land use, landscaping side of things.